for better parenting. Parenting is a full-time job. No amount of babysitting, classes or books can really prepare you for this ride. Before you dive off into the deep end, you should know some things about having kids. Every kid needs something a little different from you. Some need attention constantly and some need to be left alone. Your kid will let you know what they need in subtle and not so subtle ways. Kids develop at their own pace. Potty training, talking, eating on their own, these are all things kids do, but every kid tackles them at different stages and takes a different amount of time to develop them. Hang in there and keep trying. They will get it eventually. Lighten up. Develop a sense of humor or cultivate the one you already have. You are going to need it. A sense of humor will keep you sane. Kids push boundaries. Tell them not to do something and they will smile and slowly do that very thing right in front of you to see what they can get away with. They will push the boundaries that you set for them. Stand firm. Kids need boundaries to keep them safe and to teach them what is and isn't acceptable behavior. Kids want to explore. Kids will get into everything. They are a miniature Houdini when they want to be. They want to explore and learn. Their developing brain is driving them to seek out new things. Be watchful but indulge in their learning whenever possible. Develop your patience. They are not adults and not completely in control of themselves. They will piss you off. Take a deep breath and let it go. Don't respond to them in anger. Be firm but be in control of yourself. They will test your patience. Let go of control. Set boundaries and then let them loose within those boundaries. Don't try to control their every action or decision. They have their own agency. Let them figure out who they are within the limits of safety and decency. Embrace routine. Find a routine that works for you both and get used to it. Kids love routines and will flip out when those routines are changed. This is doubly true of kids with mental disabilities. Don't manipulate with rewards or punishments. Bribery and threats only work for the very short term. Then kids figure out how to work the system or get tired of the reward or punishment. Positive encouragement and known punishments for bad behavior work when applied consistently. Manage your time wisely. They have a routine and you have a job. You both have interests. You will need to find time for all of you to not only indulge in your personal sports or hobbies, but also to spend time together. If you enjoyed watching our video, do share it and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.